In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make dynamic color changing charts in a Smartsheet dashboard. We'll start on the Smartsheet homepage. From here, begin a fresh workspace by selecting the option to start a new project, program, or process. You'll see categories of templates tailored to different roles, like company management. It's helpful to browse these just to understand what's available, but for full control over our setup, we're going to start from scratch. Next, choose a new workspace as your starting point. A workspace is simply a container that keeps related items organized, sheets, reports, and the dashboard you're about to build. Within that workspace, choose Dashboard. This gives us a clean canvas dedicated to visuals and summaries, perfect for highlighting key metrics. Click Get started to open the dashboard builder. Add your first widget and select Chart. The chart widget is what will display your data and respond to color changes from your dashboard theme. Now it's time to connect data. Click Add Data and you'll be prompted to pick a source. You can search for the sheet you want or choose from the list you see. Select the sheet that holds the numbers or summary metrics you plan to visualize, then confirm by clicking OK. You'll now define the chart range. Click and drag in the selector to highlight the columns or rows that contain your category labels and values. Think dates or departments on one axis and counts, dollars, or scores on the other. Once the range looks correct, click OK to apply it. Smartsheet will render a preview of your chart using the data you just selected. Here's where the dynamic color magic happens. Open the dashboard theme settings using the theme icon near the top of the builder. Themes control the overall look and feel of your dashboard, including the color palette applied to charts. Choose a theme and watch as your chart instantly updates to reflect the new colors. This means you can align your visualizations with brand guidelines, presentation styles, or accessibility preferences without editing the chart widget itself. If a theme doesn't look quite right, try another or adjust it until the chart colors support the story you're telling. Keep in mind that well-contrasted colors make trends easier to spot, especially when sharing dashboards with a team. And remember, the chart will stay linked to your sheet. So as your data changes, the chart updates automatically while still inheriting colors from the dashboard theme you select. That's it. Your Smartsheet dashboard now features a chart that dynamically changes color with the theme, giving you fast, consistent, and polished visuals.